Chapter 1: Unlocking Creative Potential, The Journey to Artistic Empowerment. This chapter is aimed at encouraging individuals who aspire to make an impact in various fields, such as leadership, creativity, and innovation. The chapter emphasizes that while everyone's journey is unique, there's a common pattern to success that can be recognized and followed. The chapter criticizes the conventional pattern of life that emphasizes compliance and convenience, driven by an industrial mindset. It argues that this pattern leads to a life focused on predictable outcomes, but these outcomes often fail to fulfill us, leaving us feeling empty and unengaged. Instead, this chapter advocates for a different approach, the practice of creativity. This practice isn't a set recipe, but a persistent approach that values growth, connection, service, and daring. It's about doing work that matters without the guarantee of success. Creativity, as the book argues, is a journey of self-trust and generosity, not dependent on external validation. This chapter provides various anecdotes and examples, like the Turkish tradition of askıda ekmek, bread on the hook, symbolizing generosity and community building, which align with the principles of creative work. It also lists several creative heroes across different fields, emphasizing that their practices, while varied in output, share common traits. In the end, this chapter encourages readers to find their practice, embrace their creative identity, and start contributing their unique value to the world, reinforcing the idea that everyone has the potential to create impactful art. This audiobook summary was brought to you by Brief Reads. Click the link in the description to get the full book summary.